It is no surprise or a secret that product research is one of the major keys to e-commerce success. And in this store right here, I took a screenshot this morning, literally like 5 minutes ago, and we're already at over $1,000 a day on this demo store. So what I want to do today is actually share with you Alibaba.com's new AI sourcing agent, because it's completely revolutionizing how I'm launching Shopify stores and incubations, and how my students are launching their incubations, and also even how our clients are launching them. So I'm going to give you the whole rundown. It's going to be a pretty in-depth video, but trust me, if you follow along here, it might potentially change your life, honestly, because your next product test, your next brand creation is going to just get a huge boost. You're going to be able to test so much faster. So anyways, the tool is called Axio, and I have mentioned Axio briefly in other videos, but some of you guys still don't know about it. So I want to share it with you, and I want to show you exactly what it can do and how I'm using it literally right now to build stores. I have a store that I'm building where I'm running a research report on Axio to understand all of the potential trends in this market, and also compare and contrast different suppliers so that I can find the best ones. Let me briefly explain though quickly why product research is broken and why it's actually been holding you back. I mean, a lot of you guys love the winning product videos and things of that nature, but here's the problem with product research. When you're new, you have no idea where to start, and you might be feeling this way. You might be new and looking for ideas, but you don't really know the proper way to do product research. And on the other hand, if you're experienced, you're also looking into, 10 different places. You're looking into viral videos, winning ads, supplier catalog. You're literally looking into dozens of places. But here's the thing, whenever you're taking so long to do all this research and launch your idea, somebody else in the market will already have launched it before you. And that's actually exactly what we did with this store, right? This was a literal test store that I did for the Shopee Lab course, and now it's doing over $1,000 a day in profit. And it's really just because I moved extremely quickly with this product idea. It's very novel and very on trend. There's a lot of demand behind this, and I was able to find a strong, high quality supplier to source and ship this for me so that I can move super quickly. And this is actually what caught my attention about Axio initially when I first made my video like a month ago, is because they were the first tool that was able to centralize all of this information. And it's because they're integrated with Alibaba, and Alibaba is the #1 sourcing platform in the world, right? I mean, that's always been the case. Even if you started ecom like 10 years ago, Alibaba was still king, and they still are. But nevertheless, these guys were the first to connect centralized suppliers with product data into one interface that matches you with the exact supplier that you need based on your description. And it literally does it all for you. So that's kind of the hack, is you can just set it up, give it your idea, and it will start doing this all in the background while you read a book or while you watch my videos, right? I talk about a lot of ideas all the time that are, $1 million ideas, even $1 billion ideas for some people, or at the very least $1 billion markets. And, that's kind of the point, is I want to get more of you guys to actually like test these ideas and start making an income that can potentially replace your current income or can make you wealthy if that's what you're looking for. But there's a new feature that they released that's literally so game changing, I had to make a video about it. And I'll show you exactly how you can use this feature in just a little bit. Here's a super powerful example that you could literally take and run with today. Basically, here you can see we told it, help me identify product opportunity points in pet supplies that serve the senior dog niche market, right? That is a massive niche, actually. Senior dogs, I mean, dogs don't live forever, unfortunately. So there's a lot of senior dogs out there. And basically what this has done here is that it started an agent task with this in mind. So now it gave me a whole comprehensive report. It does all the activities, and you can see it doing it for you in real time. But here you can see it done. So here's a couple opportunities, right? So price range analysis. Based on market research, the senior dog care market shows significant pricing opportunities across different product categories. That's one of the great things about this particular market. And it says join in supplement vitamins. These can get quite expensive. These are the retail prices, up to $51, and the wholesale prices, anywhere from $3.94 to $10. So the margins are quite significant. Now, it's giving us a couple other options. Orthopedic beds, right? This is kind of a similar thing. The wholesale pricing is pretty decent and the retail prices are pretty high. It does this financial analysis for you without you having to do anything. It's pretty cool. From these categories, just to give you a little bit more value, right now with tariffs and with high costs, I would probably go with something small like this, because these are not only higher margins, but again, they're going to be just so much easier to ship and source. But this is actually one of my favorite things about Axio, is that it does the extra bit of thinking for you, which is the product innovation opportunities. And this to me is such a cool e-commerce thing that's happening, right? Because now we're going to be able to see so much more innovation happening. And in the US alone, for example, there's more startups launching in e-commerce than anywhere in the world. So naturally, with a tool like this now, we're going to get a lot more product innovation, because people don't have to necessarily innovate by themselves. They can get an agent to do it for them. It's honestly insane. So for example, it gives us an advanced orthopedic sleeping solution with cooling gel integrations, low profile design, waterproof and washable memory foam technology. So these are ways that you can innovate within this opportunity. And this is literally like 9-figure thinking, right? This is how you can think of a really massive idea, is by doing product innovation, taking the things that are working, but taking it to the next level. Here's another really cool one that I liked, is the cognitive stimulation products. That actually makes a lot of sense. So senior dogs face cognitive decline. So there's a lot of creative opportunities for interactive smart toys, treat dispenser puzzle feeders that are specifically aimed at senior dogs, right? Memory enhancing accessories that slow cognitive deterioration. Like, these are incredible angles. If we go further down, we can see another really good one, automated care management. So this basically entails smart medication dispensers. So if you have a supplement for your senior dog, you can also upsell, a smart medication dispenser, or vice versa. And then remote monitoring system, automated portion control. Some of these things are already existing, but there's still ways to innovate, such as creating a new design. And that's what this is actually. These are automatic AI renders that the agent gives you, so that you can also visualize it, right? It's not just text. You can actually put it into a, visual format. Now, here's some more stuff. Current market trends and demand. You can see it pulls from Amazon as well. So it pulls Amazon data. Amazon is the biggest e-commerce marketplace in the world, even bigger than Shopify. So it's really good actually that it pulls from that data. And we can see some of the trends are washable pee pads for senior dogs. Makes a ton of sense. And the average ratings are actually not great here. So there's a lot of room for improvement. We can study the reviews and make a better product, right? Senior dog joint and mobility supplements, that has a higher average rating. That makes a lot of sense. And you can see, some positive tags, some negative tags. This is similar actually to the comment report that I do usually for the brands that I analyze and do research on with Smart Reply, but it just, again, keeps it all in one platform, which is pretty cool. Now, it gives us more hot selling market analysis and product categories. It's literally insane. It's just such a crazy report that you can get in a few minutes for any of the opportunities that I talk about on my channel, or any opportunities that you come up with, right? But here's a new feature that they rolled out that sparked the idea for this video, is the multi-platform sourcing that they just added. Because I mentioned that they're plugged into Alibaba, but now they're also pulling suppliers on products from AliExpress, 1688, all of the other platforms that you can buy products on, and it pulls all that together. So in this case, I basically just told the agent to find and compare different suppliers for this senior dog niche on all of the different platforms, all the different sourcing platforms and marketplaces. And it's literally doing that. So instead of me doing this, taking, like 3 hours out of my day going on every single platform, it's just pulling it all together in one, which saves so much time and is also just a lot more thorough, right? It's a lot more thorough than you could be, because it's a literal AI agent, right? It can move at incredible speeds that you and I simply can't. So this has been running for about a minute. I'm going to let it run a little longer, and once it's done, we'll dissect this. And then I'll lastly show you another workflow that I recently started for a brand that I'm actually building right now. All right, I just finished doing the multi-platform sourcing analysis. So let's just go through it, right? Based on your request, I've completed a comprehensive analysis of the senior dog market, source potential products, and evaluated suppliers across major platforms. So number one, we got the orthopedic bedding, mobility support, and accessibility, right? So foldable car ramps, things like that. So it gives us a really quick, comprehensive supplier comparison. Some of these have bigger MOQs, some have smaller. But if we continue here, what I'm mainly interested in is the detailed deliverables here. So here is the report. So if we click in, we got a full report here on the supplier ranking. So it literally ranks all of these suppliers, like huge list of suppliers. This is actually insane. And here's the coolest feature. So it's pulling from all these different sources, right? So you can actually toggle between Alibaba, and these are the Alibaba ones. They require minimum order quantities, which, by the way, just as a quick side piece, you don't need to import necessarily to the US, right? When you order minimum order quantities, you can also use a sourcing agent directly in China to send your stock to, and they can ship globally. So that's something that a lot of people don't really know about. Now, you can also see we can toggle to AliExpress. So these are products that we can likely drop ship. And of course, like I mentioned, I would also use a sourcing agent for that. Now, here's where it gets crazy. We can also tap into 1688, right? It pulls from 1688, which I've mentioned before is like the Amazon of China. So you get to see some products that are completely new to the market in the US that are based on these trends. So it's basically satisfying demand in the US, solving a big product that is already popular in the US, but with a new mechanism, with a new product that nobody has seen before. And this to me is just such an insane opportunity. Some of these, like you see, are just minimum order quantities of one. Some of these are not the manufacturers themselves, but there's so many new designs here that I've never seen before. So we can do a lot of product innovation, and we can also pull from global sites. So it also pulls from all the other e-com websites out there. So we can see kind of quickly how to innovate just based on this quick search, right? We can see what are the popular dog beds, and then we can see, oh, well, how can we innovate? Maybe, we just use a completely new design, maybe memory foam, etc. And then, of course, it does it for other products here, not just the dog beds, because I asked it to do a comprehensive analysis for a variety of potential senior dog health products, and it did just that. Now, as you see right here, they got a free trial that you can use for 400 agent tasks. This was just one task, so you could just do literally like 400 tasks for pretty much free, starting with a free trial. But I got good news for you. Through the Shopee Lab platform, which is my e-learning platform, I was able to secure a discount for you guys. So you can get the discount in the description. You don't have to use the discount. You can just start your free trial, but you might as well save money if you're going to be using this, and also support the channel because I do get a kickback whenever you use my link in my discount. So if you appreciate my videos and the value that I try to provide, all the research that I try to provide, then simply use my links and you'll be supporting the channel. So thank you very much. Now here's a real workflow example for trending 2025 home products. I'm actually looking to create a home product store right now. That's one of the brands I've been thinking about as my next demo store. I've been really liking the idea of launching more demo stores so that I have more examples to teach you guys from, and also to build up more cash flow businesses. It's kind of a double whammy for me. So anyways, you can see here is the research report. Basically, simply typing in trending 2025 home products, right? It does this whole agent task. It begins the agent task. This is the beginning of the workflow. And then you just click start agent task, and then boom, you get this whole trending 2025 home product report. But here's how you can take it a step further. Once you get this analysis report, we can see specifically the ones that are selling on Amazon and Alibaba. And you can literally, for example, right, take one of these pictures. You can just literally put in the picture without any prompt, and it's going to automatically find similar products that you can source yourself. So I'll just show you. You can find similar products on Alibaba. You can find similar products on AliExpress. And this is a particular niche actually that really intrigues me because it's so mass market. Everybody needs light bulbs. And these are kind of the ideas I've been thinking a lot about lately. Is these ideas may not work super well with Meta ads, right? Because it's not so much of an impulse product, although I still would test this on Meta, but this would work really well as a catalog edition for Google, right? So that's been my strategy idea for this home store, is to do a hybrid of Meta and Google where I add products like this that are super in demand, innovative, and that literally are super mass market with a ton of demand, and let Google in a shopping campaign start finding buyers and showing my product in those search queries. But then at the same time, taking these ideas and testing them with low budgets on Meta so that I can also create demand, right? I can also capture demand and create demand at the same time. And as you see, it's a multi-platform sourcing. So it literally sources also from 1688. I can see some really incredible options here. As a quick little hack too, a lot of people are opting into these light bulbs for red light, right? So at night, people want to switch their homes to red light because it's better for your sleep and recovery. So that's one angle that you could take. And you can click into any of these and start sourcing and chatting and querying. And of course, you can have the AI agent do everything too, all in one platform. It's pretty insane, especially if you're constantly launching new ideas. And then you can select a couple of these product results and literally just compare them, have it compare them side to side to see which one's going to be more optimal. So in this case, right, like this one is much more likely to be a viable option because I can order just 10 test out the idea, maybe send it to my sourcing agent in China and not even order it directly to the US. Or you could order it to the US to an Amazon FBA warehouse. There's literally so many methods. We even have really good partners inside ShopeeLab with third-party fulfillment warehouses in the US that use robotics and AI. It's super cool. But anyways, you can see all the product attributes. You can see, where exactly they're sourced from and which one's going to be a better option for you. So this one has better reviews, but this one has better pricing, higher reorder rate, and it's just a little bit cheaper. But all in all, I know I just dropped a whole bunch of information on you. Make sure you just save this video, go over it again if you're confused on how to use Axio. But I'm telling you, this is changing e-commerce forever. And it's very exciting, in my opinion, for the reasons that I listed in this video. More people are going to be able to create innovative e-commerce products and also find better suppliers, better ideas, and ultimately see more success quicker, which is also my mission in general with ShopeeLab and with a lot of the content I make. I want more people to start their e-commerce businesses or whatever business you want, but through also like making smart decisions, looking at the data, looking at all the numbers. And it's just so cool that Axio's AI agent is able to do a lot of that for you right now. It's just an amazing time to be building an e-commerce. I've been saying that pretty much every day lately on X, on my personal profile, but it's just so true. The fact that I can just pull up a test store like this one with just the right data, the right product, and convert at 6% in the US, do $1,000 by the time I wake up. It's actually still making sales as I make this video. It's honestly incredible, and I want more of you guys to experience that same feeling. So if you want to try Axio for yourself, use the link in my description. Like I mentioned before, that'll help the channel out and you'll get a discount, so might as well. And literally once you do that, just type best trending e-commerce products 2025 and it's going to give you an insane analysis, and you're going to be able to start using this as your personal PhD level sourcing employee. And like I mentioned, if you use my link below, you can get an automatic 50% off. I believe they're only running that for a limited time. So yeah, like I said, go use that link, type this in, and let me know what you find. And of course, let me know if you need anything in the comments. I'm always here to help you guys. But yeah, I've noticed that product research is one of the things that scares the most people out of starting their business. And if that's been you, if you've been struggling with product validation, finding suppliers, this is literally the fastest shortcut I've tested. And it's so early, like this literally just launched. Go try that search and you'll see what I mean. But that's pretty much about it for this one. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.